guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Today. So in today's video we are going to successfully answer for Ari Wallet Daily Quiz. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So let's go together and answer for our daily quiz for Ari Wallet. So let's click on testnet. So let's click on Referral. So let's go with daily quiz answer. Let's answer for our daily quiz. So the today's answer it is number 3, which is C. Let's click on it. So we are clicking the correct answer. So here that's it. So as I promised to provide a daily quiz for Ari Wallet. So I keep bearing with me. So definitely every day I should provide it daily. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload it. Thank you.